You guys, I have a problem. I really have a problem. Oh my god. Okay, so I bought another bag on Hermes.com. I already unboxed it, but we'll just do a quick unboxing. Hermes.com receipt. I'm trying to keep these short and sweet. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, shopaholic, and today we're going quick Hermes.com unboxing. I've already unboxed it, but we're going to just talk about it. So that's if you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash that like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. Okay, so I got it from Hermes.com. I got another bag. Here's a receipt. I got another bag that I already have in a different color because it was available online. I had to get it, and it's a really hard bag to get. And I got one in Paris. I got one just now online, and then my SA is holding another one for me at the store. So I'm going to have 3 of these. But I think I'm going to return one. Well, I'm going to see the one that I see. I'm going to see the one in the store. The one in the store I'm going to see. And if I like it, I'll take that and then I'll return this online one. And if I don't like it, then I'll keep the online one and return the other one. Because they're kind of similar. And then the other one I got from Paris, I'm not keeping because it was a steal of a deal and the price was too good. And it's a color that's unique. Anyway, okay. It's already out of the box. So here's a dust bag. Yeah, here's the thingy. Yay. It's a black mini Jypsiere with palladium hardware. Not great on the palladium. They only put palladium stuff on the website. They never put actually gold hardware. It's very, very hard to get the gold hardware stuff. But look, this is an Evercalf or Evergrain. I've literally just opened it and it already has, like, from touching it, all of this wear. Like there's scratches from my nails. Like, this is a delicate leather. I did not realize it was so delicate because it's not so delicate on my Kelly to Go's, but on this, it seems very delicate. Unless this is a different leather and I wasn't even paying attention to leather. Because my other one that I got, which is Swift, I thought was more delicate, but it's actually been pretty good. This is my Swift one that I got from Paris. This is my Jypsieres. I'm a Jypsiere. I'm a Jypsiere gypsy. Sorry, that might be offensive to somebody. Okay, I'm a Jypsiere. But yeah, I'm gonna be a little delicate with this because it's already like scuffed up. Just from opening it, like there's scratches on, I don't know if you can see that, but there's like scratches on the back from holding it and then scratches on the front from literally touching it on the box, like taking the plastic off, taking the thing off. So I don't know. That makes me a little wary, but then I guess that's the bag but then I don't need to read this bag and I am trying to cut down. So maybe I will return this one because I am able to return this one. I'm not able to return the other two. I tried to exchange that one for a different color, but now I'm actually glad I didn't because I actually like it and I'm more on that story later. But anyway, that's my little quick unboxing. Jypsieres. Swift versus Evercalf, Evergrain, Evercolor. I don't know if it's Evergrain or Evercolor. Whatever this is, leather is, it's like a grainy, pebbled, kind of stiffer leather where you can see the grains, but it like gets scratched really easily, but also shines a little bit. I'm not a fan of whatever this leather is. That's all I have to say about it. It's stiff, it scratches, it's not soft, and it shines, and it's got pebbles, and it looks like it's embossed. Swift is very soft, and I thought I'd be scared about this, like with my Lindy, but like I think that it's actually hold up pretty well on my Lindy, and this one is like, it's just so soft that I think that that's actually worth the wear. But like it's already got some wear on the back too, like from, I've never even worn this, but it's got wear from just like, I think storage, because it's got like scratches on the back. Because I think Swift is a very, 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 very scratchable leather, almost as scratchable as box, but it's so soft and smooth and it looks so buttery soft and it feels so buttery soft that I'm okay with it. This one, not so much. So I'm gonna say I do not like this leather. I don't know if I was doing a leather comparison, I guess I am. Doing a quick comparison between my two Jypsieres, my Evercalf, Evergrain, Unclear, Evercolor, whichever one it is. It must be Evergrain or Evercolor, and my Swift one. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around. Please smash the like button. Please consider subscribing and keep on watching. This is the Swift one. This is the Evercalf one. They both are beautiful and lovely, but like they both take scratches very, very quickly. Like this I've not worn either of these and they both have scratches on them already. So that will give you how delicate. And I think these are the only leathers that they come in. I don't think they comes in Epsom or anything else, but like when I opened it, it had scuffs on it. I had to have it cleaned in Paris. I asked them to clean all the scuffs because there were a few scuffs on here and they cleaned it. But like now looking at it, it's very soft. It's buttery and it's soft and it feels so nice. But like it's got scratches here on the back just from storage. This is from I've never worn this yet. I just got it. I just got back and I just got it. Like I've tried it on and I took photos with it, but I've never I've posted photos with it, but that's okay. But I've never actually worn it. And it's got scuffs, little scratches on the back, which makes me a little nervous. But I guess that's just Swift in general. It's buttery soft, it's matte, it's smooth, and it takes the color really well, but it also gets scratched really well, and it is gonna slouch. I can see that it's gonna crease right here. I can already tell because it's a big flap, it's gonna crease right there. But I got this in Paris at Paris price, which was ridiculous. And it's so soft inside. And a lot of bags are Swift on the inside, I think. It's so, so soft and it just feels so luxurious. That's Swift. This is, I wanna say it's Evercolor. I can't remember now. Either Evercolor or Evergrain. I guess that's not really helpful. Whichever one it is, it's a grainy, like you can see the grains and the pebbles and the bumps, but it's still flat. It's a little shiny. feels a little embossed, and like it's stiff. It's not soft, and it takes scratches also very easily. I mean, it's soft, but it's not like there are like 5 or 6 scratches. Again, have not used this yet. Just opening it up and taking it out and trying it on has already gotten multiple scratches on it. So I don't even know if I can actually return this now because I bought it from res.com. So I don't even know if I can return this, but that's kind of the gist of this. I don't like it at all. I really don't. It's stiff in not a good way. Like, it's not Epsom stiff, you know what I mean? And I wish I would have known that, because if it's Evercolor, my 2 Kelly to Go's and Evercolor do well. Like, they don't show anything. They're very soft, and they're soft too. So it must not be Evercolor, unless Evercolor becomes different on a bigger bag, because this is much bigger. But like, can you see? Like, my nail scratched the back there and put a big scratch right there. Just, it's not very nice. But again, whatever, it's bad, you're supposed to use it, right? But like, just from like looking at it and trying it out, like before even like trying it out, it's already got scuffs on it. I don't like that look at all. I like my bags perfect. I like them to look pristine and perfect, because once they start looking used, I like don't want to wear them anymore. Is that bad? Whatever. Okay, that's this one. Yeah, okay, well that's it. I know this is short and sweet and probably stupid. If you have more questions, I can answer them later, but that's all I got. I'm getting one more coming. I think it's also in Evercolor, so we'll see how that feels. That's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies. I know your time's valuable. I especially appreciate you spending your time with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.